In this video, I will show you how to convert a PDF file to a Word document. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I've currently got this file loaded through, and this is currently a PDF document. Now, there's a couple of different methods and things you can use to convert a PDF document to a Microsoft Word document. But the method that I'm going to show you today does not involve downloading any software or paying for anything. There's actually a free way to actually do this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to google.com. Now, if you actually go ahead and Google search for Adobe PDF to Word, just like so, there's actually a free online converter which is provided by Adobe, which allows you to convert a PDF file to a Word document. So what you want to do is come onto this website. When you come onto the website, you'll see a page like this, and all you need to do is simply click the blue select files button here. Then what we can do is select our PDF. So you can see I've got my employment job application here as an example. Then what you can do is choose what to convert this to. So you can see it's already set to convert to a doc. If of course you're using an old version of Microsoft Word, you want to do .doc. If it's a version past 2003, it's .docx. And then what you want to do is just simply click the blue convert to doc button. So it's just going to take a minute or two now to go through and convert this file from a PDF to a doc file. Within seconds, as you can see, our PDF has now been converted. Now all we need to do is come and press continue over here, and what it's going to do is reload the file. As you can see, it's now in a Word document, and to go ahead and download this, just come up to the top and you're going to see the download button here. So we can go ahead and download this onto our PC, just like so. As you can see, this has now been saved. So this is the original here, .pdf, and you can see the new .doc file up here. So that is how to convert PDF to Word. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.